Hello YouTube. Decided to load up and go out for an afternoon ride this last Sunday. It'd been a while since we'd been able to get out and do a ride. Wasn't the best of conditions. It was pretty windy. It kind of gave the drone a hard time flying around. But we got some footage that I thought you might like to see. So here we go. One of the objectives in today's ride was to get out and fly the drone, see how well it does. This is one of the follow active tracking parallel shots. Did pretty good. Sorted out a few issues. I had it recording in a codec that computer really couldn't download, so they're corrupted files. So I was able to correct that for the future videos. This clip right here is actually what was put to my phone, so I was able to still recover it, just the quality's not there. The next video will have the full 4K of the drone, so be pretty nice. I'll try to start getting a lot more drone footage in on these videos. I think it adds a really nice dimension. It really gives you the whole perspective of how steep a hill is. You might recognize some of this terrain from previous videos. It's right out in the backyard, so it's real easy to get to. Real easy to take a nice little ride to test the vehicles, see what mods we've done and how they're working, and makes it real easy to get out and get right back home. This is actually the intruder's first trip out with the newly acquired Gilliman Tune, Black Max clutch kit, and MBRP PowerTech 4 exhaust. So we're able to really get a good test, and Kevin's extremely pleased with the results. We'll be getting a video out shortly on that. Thanks for joining us. Apologize for not having a video out sooner with hunting season and a lot of overtime at work. Just haven't had time to go riding, but that should change here soon. We plan on making a trip here weekend after this next. I'm on vacation, so I don't think anything's going to get in the way of it. And we'll have a nice video to show you guys the trip, and hopefully some really good drone footage, and it ought to be fun. And thanks again. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so, because there's lots of good stuff coming up. Pepe's Portals will be on here shortly.